Want to learn a new topic or master a new skill in a structured way right from your phone? Let me show you how to use the guided learning feature in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open the Google Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, look for the guided learning option. Just like other specialized tools, this menu is usually located within the Tools or Extension section. If you don't see it immediately, tap the Tools or List icon near the message box to expand the full list of options. Select Guided Learning. Now, type in the topic you want to learn. For instance, you could enter, "Teach me the basics of digital photography for beginners step by step." Unlike a standard chat, Gemini will create a mini curriculum for you. It provides information in manageable stages, explains core concepts, and may even offer short quizzes to ensure you understand the material before moving to the next level. Guided learning is perfect for those who want an interactive, directed experience without feeling overwhelmed by too much information all at once. And that's how easy it is to use the guided learning feature in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Happy learning!